Hi, this is WABCO here, and I'm very excited. I've got something very special for this video. Behind me, you'll see all of my crossing bells. See? All the bells. This video, my 200 subscribers special, I'm going to be ringing all of them at the same time. Now, you will see me off over in the bottom left corner tapping the WRRS motor bowl with a screwdriver handle because I don't have a step down transformer to power it. It's 120 volts and 240 volts on that motor would probably result in fireworks. RACO bell rain shield's off because it's bent and the bell doesn't sound very healthy at all when it's on. Here's the newest addition. It's a Westinghouse hybrid bell. So I'm a bit crazy with all these, 6 hybrid bells, but this one, casting's an unusually dark colour, and it also has a pretty cool sound. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Hopefully the WABCO works. Sometimes the thing gets stuck. Oh, that was loud. Just keep it short because of that. That's the sound of 13 crossing bells ringing at the same time. Here again. Right, thanks for 200 subscribers. This means so much to me. I never thought I'd get here. I felt more motivated than ever to make my videos. I've got lots of stuff planned. Yeah. Journey from 200 to 300 starts now. Actually, it started a few days ago because that's when the channel hit 200. But yeah, just again, I'd like to give a thanks for the 200 subscribers. Wouldn't have got here without you, all you viewers. So yeah, thanks for watching.